wobbly, messy poached eggs got you down, this foolproof method gives you tight whites and golden yolks every time. Fill a large saucepan with water and add salt. Bring it to a rolling boil over high heat. Now turn the heat down to the lowest possible setting. We want gentle, barely bubbling water. Set a fine mesh strainer over a bowl and crack one egg in. Let the watery white drain away by swirling the sieve gently. The tight white stays with the yolk. Gently lower the strainer into the water, then tip the egg out. Repeat with the rest. Let them cook in the water, swirling them occasionally to keep them moving slowly around the pot. To serve straight away, remove each egg with a slotted spoon and drain briefly on paper towels. You can also save them for later. Store in the fridge, submerged in cold water. To reheat, just pop them in hot water until warmed through. Perfect poached eggs, every single time. Your brunch game just got serious.